Hello and welcome to how to grow Sweet William from seed. The first step is to buy some seeds. I bought mine from a local garden store. On the reverse of the packet shows the growing times and growing conditions for your region. The seeds are planted in the spring of one year but don't flower until a year later. Second step is to dig your soil. Mark a line where you're going to plant the seeds, then dig the soil to loosen it. Remove any stones and any weeds, and then break the soil up if there are any large lumps. Next, rake the soil to give a fine tilth. Step 3. Plant the seeds. Use the rake to form a shallow trench about a ½ inch deep. Now take the seeds and sprinkle thinly along the trench. Cover the seeds with soil, then press down lightly to ensure good contact with the soil. Finally, give the seeds a good watering. Step 4. Thin out the plants. When the seedlings have at least 2 sets of leaves, it's time to thin them out. If this is going to be the final flowering position, then thin them to a distance of 9 inches like I'm doing in the video. You can also thin them to a distance of 2 inches and let them grow here over the summer. At the end of summer, transplant them to their flowering position, which may be another part of the garden. You will then leave them over winter. Finally, when you've finished thinning out, give the plants a good watering. Step 5. Keep the plants watered and weed free, and they will gradually mature throughout the summer. Step 6. Leave the plants out over winter, and then they will start growing again next spring. Step 7. In mid to late spring, the flowers will start to appear. The flowers are beautifully coloured and have a lovely fragrance. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you did. Please visit my YouTube channel and my gardening website, where there are lots more videos and information on gardening. Thank you and goodbye.